Okay, wit and humor. Wit means your intelligence, okay, your mind, your presence of mind, the sharp mind that you have, that is called wit. And humor means your the quality of amusement, how much amusing you are, how much jovial you are. Okay,
Yes, sir.
mazakia, we call it as humor. Am I clear in Hindi? Is it clear? So this is wit and humor. The entire unit, all the three chapters is based on wit and humor. The first chapter is Birbal's hit is a wit. Okay. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Second chapter is the weird Wells wedding invitation. And third chapter is I think my dad is Dracula. Okay. All these three chapters are based on wit and humor. Why wit and humor is very important? You know, these are the qualities. Wit also, wit means intelligence, and humor means your amusement. Okay. Both the qualities are very important for a person. If you are sharp, if you have a sharp mind, if you have a good mind, this is your wit. And if you have an amusement and you're an amusing person, it means you are a jovial person, you are liked by all. If you have both the qualities, okay, and both are very both are important for highly creative minds. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we can say that many things are there, you know, wit and humor. There are many chapters, you know, there are many examples in history. We have read about Akbar and Birbal, right? Have you
Yes, sir.
have you read about Birbal? Birbal was a person. He was the minister of Akbar, King Akbar, Mughal Emperor Akbar, and he was the first who was having both. He was having wit also, and he was having humor also. Both he was having. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if I talk about Krishna Deva Rai, Krishna Deva Rai also, he had one, minister that he was called as Tenali Rama. He was also having both the qualities, wit also and humor also. Okay. There's a program which was coming on Sub TV, Tenali Rama. Have you watched that program, Tenali Rama? Or have you watched the cartoon of Akbar and Birbal? Any cartoon have you watched of Akbar and Birbal?
Yes,
You have
sir.
seen that
Yes.
that Birbal is, you know, jovial also, and he is intelligent also, right? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
what wit and humor. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, see the first chapter, section A, which is the section. Now, open the first chapter. We'll call it as chapter 1A. Okay. We'll call it as which chapter? Chapter 1A. 1A. What is the name of the chapter? Who will tell? Tell me the name of the chapter.
Birbal's wit is a hit.
Birbal's wit is a hit. This is the name of the chapter. Birbal's wit is a hit. Okay. Just now I told you the meaning of wit. Wit means intelligence, right? Yes
Yes,
or no?
yes, sir.
So here the chapter talks about the intelligence of Birbal, okay, in saving the life of a person. How he has managed to save the life of a person. Okay. Let me tell you the summary of the chapter. There was one person, his name was Shaukat Ali. Okay, and you all know Emperor Akbar, he was the Mughal emperor. You all know about him, right? Apni Tripathi, switch on a video and unmute yourself. So there was one person, there was, you know, Mughal Emperor Akbar, okay? And he was having Birbal. Birbal was one of the ministers, one of the 9 ministers that he was having, okay? So there was one more person, Shaukat Ali. He was the Panwala, okay? And you know, Emperor Akbar liked Pan made by him very much, okay? Then what happened once what happened, Shaukat Ali by mistake, what he has done, he has, you know, applied, you know, a thick coat of lime on the pan. You know what is lime? Chuna. Have you heard in Hindi? Chuna, white color chuna. Have you heard lime?
Yes,
That is called lime. And you know, if you might have seen other people eating pan, they apply chuna on the pan, right? Chuna they apply on pan.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then tuna is applied in a very small amount. Okay. But once what happened by mistake, what Shaukat Ali did, he applied, a big amount. He applied big amount of chuna on the pan. Okay, so what happened when Akbar ate that pan? It burnt his tongue. Tongue में उसकी जलन होने लगी. Lime is very. It has a special property that it reacts very quickly. Okay, so वो जलने लगा उसके मुंह में. King Akbar के मुंह में वो जलने लगा. Then what happens? Akbar became very angry. So he told Shaukat Ali that he is going to get punished. Okay. And what happened? He ordered Shaukat Ali that go and bring a bag full of lime. What did Emperor Akbar say? That go to the shop and bring a bag full of lime. पूरा एक bag ले आओ चूने से भरा हुआ. Okay. Then what happened? Shaukat Ali went there and there he meets Birbal. Birbal was very well knowing what kind of thing the king is going to do. Okay. So what Birbal did? Birbal said that first do one thing. You drink one bowl of ghee, as much as ghee you can drink, and then go to Akbar's court. So Shaukat Ali asked that, why are you asking to drink a bowl full of ghee? Okay. So what happens? Shaukat Ali said that Birbal has said, don't ask me, just do whatever I'm saying. So Shaukat Ali goes to his home, he drinks a bowl full of ghee. Okay. And when he drinks a bowl full of ghee, and then he goes to Emperor's shop, to Emperor's court. There King Emperor orders Shaukat Ali to eat all the lime that he has brought. Okay, that he has to eat all the lime, the entire bucket of lime, chuna, chuna, कि उनको पूरा जो बोरा था चूने का जो वो लाया था, he has to eat the entire lime. So Shaukat Ali got scared that if I will eat that much lime, I will be dead, I will die, right? आप बहुत सारे चूना खा लेंगे, you will die, right? So but Birbal has but Shaukat Ali को मजबूरी में खाना पड़ा, but वो Shaukat Ali को कुछ नहीं हुआ. Why? Because he had already drunk ghee. उसने घी पहले ही पी लिया था. Okay, that is why nothing happened to him. In this manner, Birbal saved the life of a person who was Shaukat Ali by his wit. This is called, wit means intelligence, by his intelligence. Am I clear? Am I clear? Have you understood the chapter?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Summary, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem till here?
No, sir, no problem.
Sure. Okay, now Ayushi, read the chapter. Emperor Akbar.
Emperor Akbar was very fond of, sir, what is this?
Delicacies.
Cases and
Delicacies.
had a great taste for pan,
Pan.
especially for those mouth-watering ones that Shaukat Ali, his official
Pan wala.
panwala, rolled out. It so happened one unfortunate day that Shaukat Ali was preparing pan. The coat of lime applied got thicker than usual. The emperor had hardly taken a small bite, and his tongue seemed to be on fire. Flying into rage, he sent the Shaukat Ali.
He sent
The
first.
moment
Okay, leave. Now what happens? Emperor Akbar, he was very fond of delicacies. What is delicacies? Variety of food. He was fond of variety of eating, lots of variety of food. He was very fond of eating variety of food. Okay, someday some this food, that food. जिनको खाना पसंद है, okay, वो खाना बहुत पसंद था. Okay, Emperor Akbar. So what happened? And he was having a great taste for pan. He loved pan very much. Emperor Akbar was fond of pan. Okay, and especially those pan that was made by Shaukat Ali. Okay, and who was Shaukat Ali? Shaukat Ali was his official pan wala, that who was making pan for the emperor. Am I clear? Now, what happened one day?
Yes, sir.
Once what happened? Shaukat Ali was preparing pan for king. So what happened? By mistake, he added an extra coat of lime on the pan. Okay, and when Emperor Akbar ate that pan, his bite and his tongue seemed to be on fire. Okay, वो जलने लगी उसकी, his mouth and his tongue. Okay, and flying into rage. You can see in the word now, flying into rage. He sent for Shaukat Ali. Means in an anger, he ordered his courtiards to go and search for Shaukat Ali and bring it to him. Am I clear?
Yes,
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Avni, read after that.
Flying into the moment the emperor set his eyes on Shaukat Ali, he fumed,
Fumed.
your pan burnt to
Fumed.
burn my tongue. How do you claim to be the best maker in the city? You deserve the severest of punishments. You careless
Rich.
wretch. Shaukat Ali was
Wait.
not trembling like a leaf.
Avni, wait. First read properly.
Wretch, careless.
Read properly. Severest of punishment, you careless wretch. Okay? And pay attention to full stop and comma. Don't
Wretch.
read like this. Pay attention to full stop and comma. Now read, Shaukat Ali was now trembling.
Yes, sir.
Read. Shaukat Ali was now trembling.
Shaukat Ali was not trembling like a leaf in the window. Full
Wind.
stop. Wind. Go fetch me a bag full of the best lime.
Thundered.
Thundered the emperor. Full stop.
Emperor.
Relieved the
Relieved that.
relieved that his life was spared.
Spared.
Shaukat went to a nearby shop that sold lime. He did not
Have
the slightest. Sir, what is this?
slightest hint
Slightest hint of what awaited him.
Okay.
Full stop.
Stop reading. Okay, now what happens? I have already told you that Emperor Akbar in anger, he sent he sent his courtiards to go and search for Shaukat Ali and bring to his courtroom. Okay, then what happens? The moment the emperor set his eye on Shaukat Ali, he fumed. Your pan burned my tongue. How could you claim to be the best pan maker in the city? You deserve the severest of punishments, you careless wretch. Okay, so what happens here? Shaukat Ali when the courtiards bring Shaukat Ali to the king emperor's court, and as soon as King Akbar King Akbar saw Shaukat Ali, he became he got anger. Okay, he got angry, and what did he said that you have burnt my tongue, your pan has burned my tongue, and you are going to you are going to face the consequences of burning my tongue. You say that you are the best pan maker in the city. How do you claim to be the best pan maker in the city when your pan has burned my tongue? He gets angry on Shaukat Ali. He says in anger these things, that your pan has burned my tongue, and how are you claiming to be the best pan maker in the city? Okay, and that this is because of your pan. I'm suffering from my pain. My tongue is suffering. I am suffering, and you have to face the consequences of it. You careless wretch. He calls Shaukat Ali as careless wretch. What does wretch means? Wretch means an unlucky person. He calls Shaukat Ali as a careless, unlucky person. Am I clear? What he calls Shaukat Ali? He calls Shaukat Ali as a careless, unlucky person. Is it clear?
As a careless, unlucky person.
Yes. Okay. Now what happens? Seeing the anger of the emperor, Shaukat Ali started to fear. Okay, he started trembling. You know what is trembling? Trembling like a leaf in the wind. Trembling means shaking. Okay, you see na, when wind blows, how the leaf flows in the air. जब हवा चलती है तो पत्ते कैसे उड़ते हैं, right? So Shaukat Ali was trembling like a leaf in the wind. It means that he was shaking by the anger, by the fear of the emperor of King Akbar. Am I clear? He was
Yes,
catching
sir.
leaf in the wind. Now what King Akbar orders Shaukat Ali? He orders Shaukat Ali to go and bring a bag full of lime. Okay, thundered the emperor. Thundered the emperor means he shouted. He said in anger that go and bring a bag full of lime for me. वो गुस्से में कहता है, go and bring a bag full of lime for me. Okay, he says in anger. And after this, what Shaukat Ali thinks? Shaukat Ali thought that he has been spared from the king. उसे लगा कि king ने उसे छोड़ दिया. Okay, so he felt a little relieved. उसे थोड़ी शांति महसूस हुई, थोड़ा चैन महसूस हुआ. Okay, but what happened after that? He went to the shop nearby and asked for the lime and asked for the bag full of lime. He asked the bag of lime. एक बोरा lime उसने बगल वाली शॉप से, पास वाली शॉप से खरीदा. Okay, and he was not having any slightest hint. Okay, he was not having any idea, a bit of idea that what is going to happen with him. King Emperor has not spared him. Okay, he is going to face some consequences, but Shaukat Ali is not having the idea that what consequence is going to face. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now Ayushi, read again.
Don't even think of disobeying that order, said.
From where you are reading? From where are you reading? Have you started making pickles?
You started making pickles for the entire neighborhood, asked the shopkeeper.
Jovially.
What is this?
Jovially.
Jovially. Of course not. I am only following the emperor's command. Shaukat Ali was now worried and frightened. Don't even think of disobeying that order, said Mahesh Das, who was observing the entire episode. I know that you have not asked for it, yet I would like to give you a piece of advice. All right, but be quick, Shaukat Ali said, his voice now a croak.
Now, stop now. Okay. So what happens, when he went to the shop, okay, so the shopkeeper asked him that why do you want a bag full of lime? Why so much of lime you want? He asks him that, have you started to make pickles? Pickles means, what is pickle? What do you call in English, in Hindi, pickles? Have you eaten achar at your home?
Achar.
Yes. Have you eaten
Yes,
achar
sir.
at your home? Achar
Yes, sir.
is only called as pickles in English. Okay. So the shopkeeper asked him that, have you started
Yes, sir.
to make pickles that you are asking, that you're demanding for so much of lime? Okay. So what Shaukat Ali said, no, I'm not making pickles. It is the order that I'm following. Emperor Akbar has ordered me to bring a bag full of lime, and so that I am bringing a bag full of lime. I'm asking you, and I'm bringing a bag full of lime. Now, there was a person standing nearby. He was listening to the conversation between Shaukat Ali and the shopkeeper, and he interrupted in between, and he said that don't even dare to disobey king's order. Okay, he said that don't even dare to disobey king's order. Okay, and do whatever he has ordered you to do, but yes, listen to my advice. I am going to advise you, so you listen to my advice and then do what I'm and then obey whatever the king is saying. Okay, so what Shaukat Ali says, all right, but be quick. Shaukat Ali said, his voice now a croak. Okay, he said, okay, when you say in a harsh voice, ठीक है, I will do this. You say like this now, okay, tell me your advice, I will follow it. But be quick, because I have to go to the king's court with a bag full of lime. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what was the name of the person who was advising Shaukat Ali? His name was Mahesh Das. Mahesh Das only said him that do whatever you want to do, whatever the king has ordered you to do, but listen to my advice and then do that. Okay. His name was Mahesh Das. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Have a big bowl full of pure ghee before you go to the royal court, said Mahesh Das. Mahesh Das says Shaukat Ali to have a bowl of ghee first. Have a full bowl of ghee. To have a bowl of ghee which is full. Okay? To drink that ghee first and then go to the shop. And then go to the royal court. When you drink the ghee, then only go to the royal court. This was the advice given by Mahesh Das to Shaukat Ali. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So what Shaukat Ali says in reply, he said that you haven't noticed my pot belly. Pot belly, have you? Said Shaukat. I can't even dream of taking a drop of ghee. Forget a bowl full. He says that look on my tummy. Look to my tummy. It means that look on my tummy means see on my pit. The elder people, they have a big tummy, they have a big stomach, right? So that is why he says that look to my tummy. I have a so big belly. I have a belly like a pot. Okay, and you are telling me to drink a bowl of ghee, which will make my belly more fat. I will become more fat. Okay, so he says that I can't imagine to drink a drop of ghee and you are telling me to drink a bowl of ghee. Okay, he denies that he cannot drink a bowl of ghee because he is having a big tummy. It means he is very fat, and that is why he cannot take the risk of drinking a bowl full of ghee. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now what happens? The shopkeeper suddenly spoke up and said that one should not ignore Mahesh's advice. The shopkeeper says that no, follow what Mahesh is saying, because nobody in this city never or ever ignores Mahesh Das's advice. Okay? The shopkeeper also says Shaukat Ali to follow the advice of Mahesh Das, whatever he is saying. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, looking all the more worried now, Shaukat paid for the lime and hurried out of the shop. Now what happens? Now after hearing these things, Shaukat Ali became more scared. And what did he do? He paid the price of the lime and he quickly hurried to his home to drink a bowl full of ghee. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
once home, he asked his wife for a bowl full of homemade ghee. Okay, was he that hungry? She wondered, but looking at her husband's face, she decided not to question him and poured the ghee into the biggest bowl she had. It was indeed shocking to see how Shaukat Ali gulped it all down at one go. Okay, and so what is said here, as soon as Shaukat Ali went to his home, he asked his wife a bowl full of ghee. Okay, his wife, when he asked a bowl full of ghee, his wife started to think that why is he asking a bowl full of ghee? Is he that much hungry, or what has happened to him? But she then realized that he is not hungry, he is scared, he is frightened. That is why he is asking a bowl full of ghee. Okay, by his facial expressions, it can be seen that he is very frightened, and that is why she did not question him, and she gave the wife of Shaukat Ali, gave her husband a bowl full of ghee in the biggest bowl that she had. She gave ghee to the Shaukat Ali in the biggest bowl that she can give, and Shaukat Ali drank all that ghee in one go. Gulp means to drink in a hurry. What does gulp means? To drink in a hurry. She drank all that ghee in one go, in a very hurry. Okay, Shaukat Ali had drunk all the ghee that his wife gave him in a very quick manner, in a very hurry manner. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so students, this much only we will do till today, and rest of the chapters we'll be completing tomorrow. Okay, or
Yes,
when
sir.
class. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the chapter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your homework is, write down in your English literature homework in your diary. write word meanings of chapter 1A in English literature copy.
Sir, in fair copy.
Yes, in fair copy. Okay. You know, this I'll be sharing you a PDF of the meanings and that you have to write in your copy. Okay.
The fair copy.
Yes, fair copy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we will send a PDF
I will
of
share
word meaning.
I will share a PDF. Okay, or you can do one more thing. I will share a PDF also. You can do one more thing. The meanings are written in your book, right? Right, the meanings are
Yes,
written in
sir.
your book. Write chapter 1A.
Yes, sir.
It was writ and write meanings. Draw a line in between and write all the meanings. The meanings are given here. You can write the meanings from the book also. Am I clear?
Sir, all
Yes, sir.
word
Yes, sir.
meaning.
Yes, all word
Sir,
meanings.
all word meaning.
Yes, yes, all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No,
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Have you understood the chapter?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And rest of part of the chapter will be completing the next turn that we have of literature. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm ending this class. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. We'll be meeting in the next lecture. Okay. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.